Are you tired of wasting precious water by watching it and your money run down the drain? Now there's an easy and inexpensive way to stop wasting water while helping the environment at the same time. Introducing the Miracle One-Touch Tap. This amazing self-cleaning antibacterial water-saving device is simple to install on most kitchen or bathroom faucets. Just unscrew the old water-wasting aerator at the end of the faucet and replace it with the new Miracle One-Touch Tap. Now set the water temperature how you like it. You won't need to keep adjusting or turning the faucets off and on. Just tap it and the water will remain the same temperature when you tap it again. This worldwide patented water saver has received awards for its unique design and water-saving ability, and it has been approved by the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, a faucet that leaks just 1 drip per second will waste more than 3,000 gallons of water per year. But you can easily stop that drip by using the Miracle One-Touch Tap. To conserve water while brushing your teeth or shaving, a family of 4 can save more than 800 gallons of water each month. And even if you don't always use the tap, it will still save 50% of the water that a normal aerator uses. The Miracle One-Touch Tap, available only through Rao Creations. Please call us for pricing and delivery information.